Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kalpavriksha. So you know what happened just few minutes back? I recorded the complete video and guess what happened? It didn't record my voice. It was mute. It was kind of okay, it happens. So yeah, come back to again one more successful trade I am sharing with you today. It's for Kajaria Ceramics. So and then this is not that great return, 5.33 in 79 days, but I want to share the approach what I followed. If you go back to my YouTube channel and if you see the other videos where I got a nice return, like more than 13, 15, 20, sometime even 25% and more with the same approach. So if you missed them, do watch this so that you get the same kind of approach, and then you can go back to those and watch again so that you get the clear the approach, kind of approach how you can follow in your trades. Okay, so before explaining my entry, exit, and all the holding period and all the information, so let me make it clear that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So this video is only for educational purpose, and then make sure you know the risk and reward before you take any investment or any trade. Okay, if you feel this video is very slow, please watch it in 1.25 or 1.5x speed. Okay, coming back to the numbers, if you see the buy and sell price, I got like 69.99 rupees per share, which is 5.33% return in 79 days. Okay, so before entering any trade, I make sure these 3 points. The first thing is I look for a stock which has corrected more than 10%. So I look for that triggering point. And the second point is I look for a quarterly top line sales and make sure it is not declining trend. And long term to mid term CAGR, I look for more than 10% CAGR. Okay, so coming back to the first point, let me show that in chart. If you see the square box, what you see, that is the like 28 days and it fell down more than 11%. That information I could get from TradingView. Okay, and this was the triggering point for me. Okay, and then coming back to the point number 2, which is quarterly sales. So it's not declining. I captured this from money control and you see it's not declining. And the third point is long term to mid term CAGR. If you see here, so it's more than 20%. So if we have more than 10%, that itself is fine for me. But in this case, it's more than 20%, which is really good. So once these 3 points were okay for me, then I initiated the trade. What I do a divide and conquer rule. So I just don't put the whole money because I'm not putting any stop loss for such stocks. I'll wait for some time because the gut feeling for me is that soon it may take some time it may take more time if in the bearish market, but I'm okay to wait. If you are kind of like if you are like patient to wait for some time, 2 months, sometime year, then yeah, probably this is a place you can look for, right? So what I did a first buying. If you see those slight vertical lines, like these are the dates I did the 3 buyings. Again, go back to the chart and look for the prices. So I'm not like sharing the price because the average price is shown here above, which is 1314, right? So I did 3 buyings because it gave the second, third buying because it fell down. I accumulated the stocks, and after third buying, it did not give me the fourth buying. It started reversing. So I waited for a couple of days, and then today I exited with that 5+%. Okay. Then how did I exit this stock? So I look for 2 points. Okay, this exit criteria, what I have written here is whenever the daily RSI goes above 70, okay, I keep an eye. So I'll watch it daily. Okay, so there's a high chance that it may spike up from that level and then it start reversing. So we just have to see for a couple of days and then take a decision. So today itself it crossed 70 and then it started declining. So I thought, okay, let me book the profit. Okay, and second point is I look for a supply zone. So is there any supply zone historically, recent history? Okay, if you see the red line from the same level stock fell down. Even a little above also there is a huge supply. If you see the historical the pattern, so from that level it fell down. So having said this, can't this stock go up? There's a probability it may go up, and there's a probability it may go down. What my gut feel says that it will correct a bit. So that is what the conviction I got, and then I exited today with such small decent profit. Okay, so if you feel this video is kind of good for you, good content for you, so please like the video. And if you need any, if you feel I missed something, so please leave that in a comment. I'll try to read, and then I'll try to inculcate those information in my next success stories. So before saying thank you to you, let me thank Google Sheet, Money Control, Screener.in, and DHAN, which is a broker where I trade, and then the Trading View. So thanks all these platforms for giving me such a nice platform to analyze and take my positions and exit with some decent profit. Thank you. Happy trading. Have a great day.